Hey guys, Just Car Things, and today we are going to be showing you how to check your blower motor wire on your 06 to 011 335i. And today the car we're going to be working on is a 07 335i 4-door sedan E90. And all you need to do this job is a T60 Torx head and a 10mm socket to unhook the battery cable so you don't kill yourself. So let's jump into it. Okay, so now you want to start off coming into the trunk of your car and coming to the battery connector right over here. Just twist that off and just wiggle this out just like that. Now what you want to do is just loosen that connector right there, just like that, and there we go. Disconnected the battery cable and making sure it don't have no kind of connections there, and you can just leave your 10mm in the trunk when you come back. And a good tip is to make sure you have something block your trunk, because if this shuts you're gonna have a bad time trying to get it open. So now to the next part. Alright, so now what you do is you come into your passenger side floor, and in the front obviously, and you come up underneath the glove box, and you're going to see two of these. You're going to have one on the right side and one on the direct opposite side. Now what you want to do is go ahead and take your T60 Torx, make sure you got it on loose. Now once you have your T60 Torx set on loose, you just come up here to this one and you just loosen that bolt, just like that. Now once you get your bolt loose enough, just pull that out with your hands, just like that. Set that to the floor and go to the other side. Alright, now once you get both the screws out, the panel should just fall down just like that. Oh, we're not looking too good. Alright, let's take a look up under there and see what we're looking at. Alright, so once you pull the piece out of the compartment here, you just unplug the light, and then you come right up under here, directly underneath beside this gray thing right here. I don't really know what it is, but here's your blower motor wire. There's just two little clips on the side right there that you clip out, and it just slides right out of this piece right here. Now what you want to do is you're going to want to inspect the wires all around. See the condition of the wires. These are looking a little frayed, not looking very good. Okay guys, so that is basically how you inspect your blower motor wire on your, well, on this 07 335i. It's pretty much the same on all BMWs, so yeah, I would definitely recommend, if your car falls under the guidelines of the blower motor recall, please check your wire. Please check it, because it don't hurt. It takes not even 2 minutes to do. Just 2 minutes, and you get to know if your car is gonna burn down or not. So I think that's more than justified.